Hello everyone, this is me Rahul Bharadwaj and I welcome you all on the Let's Crack UPSC CSE English. This is the recent update from the UPSC and we all have been waiting for. This is the update regarding the new dates for the IAS prelims. So let us see what are the important takeaway in today's UPSC press release. Actually, in today's special meeting, the UPSC has actually decided that it will not be possible to resume the examinations and interviews for the present. So for now, the Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2020 scheduled to be held on 31st of May 2020, therefore stands deferred. So in this press release, UPSC has actually officially declared that your Civil Service Preliminary Examination has actually been deferred. And regarding the update on the new dates, the UPSC has actually said that it will review the situation on the 20th of May. Okay, the situation will be reviewed again on this 20th of May. As we all know that because of this coronavirus lockdown, okay, coronavirus lockdown, the situations have changed to a great extent, especially if we talk about the Civil Service Preliminary Examination. Around 10 lakh students appear in this prestigious examination. Because of this, to conduct this examination, the UPSC actually required the centers, examination centers, and because of this coronavirus, many of the colleges and schools have actually been turned out into quarantine centers. Okay, so there is actually dearth of these examination centers. And second part is that we have to follow the social distancing norms. Okay, social distancing norms are there because to check the spread of this coronavirus and follow the guidelines of this lockdown. So therefore all considering all such situations, the UPSC will take a decision on this new date on the 20th of May. And one more assurance is given by the UPSC, and this is very relieving for all the aspirants, that whenever the dates will be decided, okay, when the dates are decided for the deferred examination, it will be ensured that candidates are given a notice of at least 30 days. At least 30 days notice will be given. Okay, so whenever the new dates will be given, there will be a gap of at least 30 days. This has been ensured by the UPSC. So now we have this question, what strategy we need to follow. So there are two category of these students. So in first category, all those students who have actually covered their IAS prelims syllabus, okay, who are fully prepared to appear in the examination. So these kind of students, they should definitely start preparing, start giving time for the mains also. Okay, so you can do one thing, you can revise, you can complete some part of the mains syllabus. Okay, you can actually start this answer writing, because from now onwards you will be having around 50 days, at least 50 days, or at least 50 to 60 days time. From now onwards you will be having, so around 2 months are there. And especially in the case if you have completed all the syllabus, if you have revised enough for the IAS prelims, then definitely you should start preparing for the mains as well, because this is a long period of time. 60 days are there, and definitely you should start giving time for the optionals as well. So these are the first category of students, they should follow this strategy. And in the second category of students, all those students who are thinking that we will appear, or I will appear next year, or I will see next time. So all this next thing, okay, has come this now because of this UPSC has given you this golden opportunity, guys. This is the golden chance which UPSC has actually given you to actually crack this examination 2020 exam, which you actually can crack. So now what you all should do, you should focus on this 2020 examination. You should all try to focus on the study, intense preparation. Focus on this intense preparation. Try to cover your syllabus. Okay, try to cover your syllabus, revise multiple times, okay, write the test, etc. So you should follow this strategy to crack the examination. And first you need to make up a mindset that I'm appearing in this examination 2020 and I will crack this 2020 exam. So 50-60 days time at least you will be, I mean, given from now onwards. So it is not a small period of time. 60 days are enough. You can prepare yourself in a much better way. So go for this, guys, and we are here to help you out. Okay, we are here to help you out on the Unacademy, which is India's largest learning platform for the UPSC preparation. You can definitely join the Unacademy, where obviously full batch courses are there, especially if you are going for 21-22. So apart from these batch courses, in these batch courses full syllabus coverage is ensured, along with this prelims and the mains test series, and along with this interview preparation. So these batch courses are available in English also, okay, in which the lectures are imparted in the English and notes will be given in the English only. So definitely you can join these batches. And apart from these batch courses, you will be having various crash courses. Crash courses are there. So you can definitely go for these crash courses, in which you can cover your whole syllabus for the prelims in a very less period of time. Okay, let us say 40-45 days or less than these days, you will be able to complete the syllabus. For example, ultimate crash course is there. So once you join the Unacademy, okay, once you join the Unacademy, you are able to access all these courses only with one subscription. You are able to access all these courses. And so go for this 2-year course. The reason is that the difference between the fees of 1 year and 2 year is only of 1 month. Okay, only of 1 month fees. So go for this 2-year course, and what you will get in this course, daily live classes are there by the 80+ India's top educators. Daily live classes will be there, and if you miss any of your classes, recordings will be available. So you can watch the recordings n number of times. Definitely the courses will be structured, the notes will be provided in the PDF format, and the live test will be there. You can interact with the educator, ask your doubts. Dedicated doubt sessions are there. So definitely you should go for this go for this course on the Unacademy platform, and you can use this code LIVERB, LIVERB, to get 10% discount. Okay, 10% discount on your fees. And if you have any query regarding this subscription, you can call on this number, drop a message on this number. You will find a link in the description box for the subscription. You can download the Unacademy application, where you can select the UPSC CSC and choose your plan and get this subscription. So all the very best, guys. Okay, all the very best. This is a kind of golden opportunity. You should definitely grab this and make your attempt count. All the very best. God bless you all.